climate change is occurring at rates much faster than anticipated just a few years ago. The amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has reached over 410 parts per million in 2019, which is well over 100% higher than in the pre-industrialized era. This rise in emissions makes a warming trajectory of 1.5 degrees to 2 degrees, the stated goal of the UN, increasingly difficult to realize, and emphasizes why we must act to reduce our emissions.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, our honorable judges and all the committee. We are from Brawijaya University. Will present about our innovation, and the title is CTEX, IoT-based carbon tax application, innovation to realize SDGs 13 climate action.
Climate change has been globally recognized as one of the most serious threats and concerns of the 21st century. Indonesia ranked 4 in the construction industry among ASEAN countries and the 9th largest carbon emitter in the world, and it contributes 2.6 trillion kilogram for CO2, and the government has taken steps to overcome the problem of carbon emission through a carbon tax since April 2022. With a cap and tax mechanism tariff of 30 rupiah every kilograms of CO2. However, this application is still limited to coal plants because adjustments are still needed. For this reason, we are from Brawijaya team provide innovation to extend imposition of carbon tax in all Indonesian industry companies and the implementation of SDGs 13 climate action through an integrated application with the title of Innovation CTEX, IoT-based carbon tax application innovation to realize SDGs 13 climate action. The contribution of innovation to SDGs 13 climate action is to reduce the contribution of carbon emission in Indonesia in a sustainable manner. Our innovation also connect with other SDGs 9 industry, innovation and infrastructure, as the company will make adjustment related to the imposition of carbon tax in terms of infrastructure.
This research uses the research and development R&D method. This research aims to develop an IoT based carbon tax application that is integrated with the DGP, Directorate Jenderal Pajak. This application is designed to help industrial companies calculate the total carbon emission produced and report them more easily through the features in this application.
CTEX or carbon taxes is an online application in the taxation sector in Indonesia. This application is a place for industrial companies in Indonesia to report carbon taxes. CTEX is in line with the concept of 13 Sustainable Development Goals, namely climate action, in point 13.2.1, which discuss monitoring, reporting, and verification of greenhouse gas emission. The CTEX application is integrated with the Internet of Things or IoT, so that it makes it easier for users to report, remind, and provide transparency of carbon taxes. It is hoped that CTEX can control the carbon produced by industrial companies in Indonesia so that they can handle climate change due to carbon.
What are the features? First, C-Report. This features is automate the company carbon emission reporting through IoT technology. IoT devices are installed in industrial facilities to measure the amount of carbon emission in real time. The data is sent directly to DGP, making it easier for company to report carbon tax without the need for manual calculation and ensuring accuracy and transparency.
The second feature is C-Reminds. This feature provides automatic warning to companies if their carbon emission approach limits set by the government. This feature helps companies manage and reduce emission by notifying them before they reach limit, encouraging preventive action to reduce tax penalties.
Okay, the last features. C-Trends. The last features of this app provides an automatic, transparent carbon emission calculation report. Companies can see details of the emission they produce as well as the taxes charged. In addition, it helps taxpayers verify and validity of carbon, the emission and tax calculation, ensuring they are not miscalculation and avoiding disputes with the government. SWOT analysis. The strength of our application are in terms of data security, user convenience or user flow, and integrate superior features. Weakness requires expensive technological investment for industry to reduce emission. Solution or application is cost-benefit analysis, facilitate analytical tools to help companies assess the potential long-term saving from investment in clean technologies compared to the cost of carbon tax. Opportunities. The potential number of carbon tax impositions due to the large number of industrial company. Teach dynamic tax regulation. Solution for ARM application. Carbon tax reporting. Facilitate reporting of carbon emissions and understanding of potential carbon tax revenues.
Now, I will explain about the pilot project of our application. First is preparation stage. In the preparation stage, in the first 3 months, the author collaborates with stakeholders such as intellectual for the design and development process of the initial design of the CTEX application and coordinates with the Directorate General of Tax related to the provision and imposition of carbon tax in Indonesia. Next, there is a pilot project which will be carried out within 5 months. Application trials are carried out as evaluation and feedback material as well as additional features and UI/UX by intellectuals. Next is the implementation stage, which will be carried out from 2025 onwards, where this stage is the stage of launching the CTEX application, which has been perfect and conducting outreach to industrial companies in Indonesia to provide an understanding of the scheme for using this application. CTEX uses a 5-stakeholder collaboration model or pentahelix, including first, government. The government plays a role in compiling and making regulation regarding the imposition of carbon tax on industrial companies in Indonesia. Second, intellectual. Intellectuals can play a role in designing and developing CTEX application. Third, private parties. Private parties or industrial company owner can act as user of the CTEX application. And then society. The community plays a role as a social monitor on the implementation of carbon tax policies. And the last is media. The media acts as a disseminator of information regarding the CTEX application and its beneficial for environmental health.
The GTEX is an innovative application of carbon taxation to industry in Indonesia. GTEX is expected to reduce the contribution of carbon emission in Indonesia and support SDGs 13, climate action, and 9, industry innovation and infrastructure based on IoT technology.